What's going on, everybody? We got a 2015 Ducati Multistrada 1200S for you today. Gorgeous bike, couple of goodies. Got the Evo Tech radiator guards, hand guards here, Ducati factory panniers. This is a nice grip here. Some more goodies, including a Termi exhaust hidden away here. Sounds amazing. Brand new rubbers, brand spanking new, California clean title in hand. It's only got 17,480 miles. And it has a wireless CarPlay unit. Let's fire her up. The pinnacle of Ducati adventure bikes right here. 150 horsepower, 91.5 pound-feet of torque, around 510 pounds weight. This one's nice and low. I can almost flat-foot it, and I'm only 5'6". Brand new rubber in the front, brand new. Gorgeous bike overall. Gorgeous bike overall. That exhaust is just fantastic. Probably the best exhaust you can get for Ducatis. Titanium Termis. Cannot go wrong. Fully inspected and ready to ride. If you guys love Ducatis as much as we do, you will love this bike. Way better than the GS series in my opinion. Maybe a little bit biased, but how can you go wrong with that? Thanks so much for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe if you liked today's video. Hit the bell for notifications. We have daily uploads, shorts. Also have walk around reviews of our motorcycles and cars, as well as trucks and dirt bikes that we have for sale. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.